There are many situations when a driver needs to move their vehicle a short distance at a time. That can mean climbing in and out of the cab over and over again, or needing support from another driver. With Volvo Trucks' new Volvo Dynamic Steering with external steering feature, the truck can be controlled from the outside, freeing the driver to manage other tasks. It removes the need for a second operator and reduces injuries and delays. The feature is made possible through Volvo Dynamic Steering technology. The system gives the driver control of the engine, steering, brakes, and lights through a remote control or wired steering device provided by an external supplier. It works like this. When the driver gives a command, for the truck to turn left, for example, it is received by the bodybuilding module, a control unit where all essential truck data is received and distributed. A signal is then sent to Volvo Dynamic Steering, which executes the command. The truck turns left. The feature is well suited for maintenance work such as laying asphalt, installing streetlights, or de-icing planes. To ensure safety, the speed of the truck is capped at 10 kilometers per hour, and there is an option for bodybuilders to install an emergency brake on the exterior. Volvo Trucks' Volvo Dynamic Steering with external steering is a powerful tool to raise work productivity and reduce injuries.